What do you think about these people flying drones?
What do you think about these people flying drones?
Yeah.
You get a life.
You get a life.
Destroying the fucking environment.
Destroying the environment with drones.
Pressing plastic into bringing aeroplanes down.
Bringing airplanes down. You gotta get up to mischief. You had different type of mischief when you was younger. We like taking airplanes down. People asking, do I do any work? No. Oh, lad. Mythical creature. Is he out here? Look at the fog. This is crazy. Have you seen the film The Fog? Is it called The Fog or is it called The Mist? I don't know. I don't know what it is. The air factory is over there. Strange things are happening in the area today. Got blue skies though, blue sky. Oh, I wonder, lad, if I send that drone up, I could probably get up there, but I've got to wait for dinner time. Let's see what it's like at dinner. Wasting the light flying drones. Sorry, you caught me then. I was talking to myself. I know. That's why I've come out for the film frog.
Look out for people, the Walking Dead.
Walking Dead. See, you're on the same wavelength as me. You get it. Apocalypse is coming. I was gonna see like weird creatures and stuff appearing out of the fog.
No, you just go in there.
Unfortunately, all the fog's gone. About to go meet the inventor of FPV. Oh, lad. Bang them in there like that, innit? No creatures. Because the fog's faded. Faded like blue jeans. I'd lick the creature if I seen it. Look at that. Hey look, that Slutch Monster was on his feet then. I hope he's alright, if not I'll give him a lift on way back. FPV that steering wheel, lad. Push, push and bow. FPV steering wheel. Oh, Inventor's there at White Car. What, like that barrier? We can have a look. I don't know. This bit. Yeah. It's just something different than going over there or going on them trees over there. This is good as well, actually. I don't know. I've seen that one more. Yeah. I went to Aldi last night and got some chickens. Aldi batteries. I'm on one.
You'd be on one. That's how I was on one. I thought Tom Swift was going to be on one.
Tom Smith, shut up.
I'll be on 7.
Oh, that was not nice. I don't know what happened.
2.0.
I don't know what happened. He just went into doing mad rolls. First battery. I don't make these stories up. Is it FR Sky or Far Sky?
I say Free Sky, you know.
Free. Okay then.
I don't know why.
The Free Sky X7 Taranis.
Oh, that's nice.
What's first impressions?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, I haven't used that Chinese thing, haven't I?
Oh lad, propeller won't take off. Oh no! Is he going straight it out? I don't know what's happening. Lad, he won't take off. Get out of the way. Ah! He's fell over. He's not going straight. No.
Is that?
Yeah, it's like the ESC, he's got really hot. Because all that's there. Oh, broken arm as well at the back. Bastard. That arm's broke. Oh, look at this, I'm going to slap a quad in my bare hands. Lad, this quad's dead anyway. Give up.
You got another one,
It flew fine. It flew fine yesterday. Yeah, but I've still not fixed the power connector.
Have a go on this if you want me.
Why is there always a problem? I've not fixed the power connector on the side. This has got bent props as well. Spur quad. What, you did record it?
So I just got to go off the beach when I press the button.
Where's it broke on top?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like...
Yeah.
That's record.
Yeah, just flying first person view. They've got a camera on the front and it just transmits video back to goggles. A few £100 we spent on him. He's like...
They're just as good. My mate's got one there.
Yeah.
Phantom, can't remember what it was called. We paid £1,500 for it. And let's see how far it goes. It says it can go further than what it actually can.
Yeah.
It says it can be 5 miles. Oh, it can't. Let it go from the other end of this field. It's good like that.
Yeah, these are more just like racing around and doing tricks and stuff.
I've just seen it there.
Yeah, there isn't one.
That's crazy, that quad. What's happened? I thought your quad was all like okay now.
What do you mean?
It's like all battered. It looks like a 6-cell then up bottom.
Brand new.
Done it?
Yeah, that's what I mean. The battery straps don't fit round it. Hardcore. And I don't know if I'm recording or not.
You're the inventor of FPV. I can't make you look like you don't know how to fly. You're meant to be out there and like boom, 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 boom.
Doing your dinner trying.
Oh, that didn't sound good at all. The batteries come off, but
That's shaking, isn't it?
3 props.
Oh, the strap.
Oh, you've snapped another strap. Fresh strap, brand new. There's one propeller. You got it?
Yeah.
Today we'll just blame on bad luck. work time, shall we say. Ooh, yeah. We came, both broke stuff, and then now we're leaving. Sounds about right.
Alright.